Hello everyone, my name is Anshifa Khan and my group member name is Abhishek Marvi. We are from Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, Vidisha. Currently, we are pursuing in third year. Here, we are here to give our presentation. Let us see contents learned in internship, C programming, embedded system, application, embedded C, project detail, requirement, microcontroller, used PICSim F877A, more details, Disha workshop. Topics learned in C programming, keywords, data representation, basic data types, conditional construct, operators, array, pointers. Embedded system. What is embedded system? Let us see. Embedded system is a combination of hardware and software that is intended for specific tasks. Requirement of an embedded system, challenges in embedded system, development trend in embedded domain. Here the application of an embedded system. Let us see first GPS system, ATM system, defense and aerospace, home appliances, banking sector, and many more. Embedded C. What is embedded C? Embedded C is one of the most popular and most commonly used programming language in development of embedded system. Embedded C programming play a key role in performing specific functions by the processor. Project overview. In this project, we have developed a microwave oven using PIC16 F877A microcontroller in picsimlab. In this project, microwave oven of a precise temperature adjustable cooking time and user-friendly interface. Requirements: PC, laptop, picsimlab, X8 compiler software, Mplab XID software, picsimlab. PICSimlab is a simulating tool. PicSimlab is a real-time emulator of development board with Mplab X Ever GD debugger integration. PicSimlab supports several devices, spare parts that can be connected to the board for simulation. Mplab X8 compiler. Mplab ID by default does not include any compiler. We can use to write assembly language we need for any compiler, but if we want to write code in embedded C language, we need to install a separate compiler. Hashtag include xe.h header file contain the definition of all registers of PIC16 F877A microcontroller. After we finish writing the program, we will need to compile the code to generate the hex file and to see if there is any error in the code. To compile code, click on Build option. If there is no error in the code, it will display a successful message, build and generate a hex file. Mplab XID. Mplab XID, the ID which we will be using for embedded system development with PIC-MCUS is called Mplab XID. It is a product from Microchip which is so powerful and versatile. It is used to create new projects and helps to write the assembly language programs for interface. Difference between microcontroller and microprocessor. Firstly, see microprocessor. All separate components, more flexible, more design complexity, Microcontroller. Components in a single chip, less flexible, less design complexity. Microprocessor structure and microcontroller structure. What is microcontroller? In this project, we used microcontroller PIC16F877E. Let us see what is microcontroller. A microcontroller is an integrated circuit which is capable of being programmed to perform a specific task. Typical microcontroller include a processor, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. Architecture of microcontroller. Here the architecture and their pins. PicSimlab peripherals. LEDs, digital keypad, interrupts, timers, clock, SSDs, CLCD, matrix keypad, analog input. What is microwave oven? Introduction to microwave oven. A microwave oven is a kitchen appliance that heat and cook food. Microwave oven convert electrical energy into a form of electromagnetic radiation called microwave. Types of cooking modes: micro mode, grill mode, convection mode, start mode. Thank you. Then the next slide explained by my friend Abhishek Mal.
Hello, my name is Abhishek Malviya. Currently, I am pursuing BTech Electrical Engineering in Samrat Ashok Technological Institute, Vidisha. So moving on forward, there is a types of modes. First one is micro mode, second one is grill mode, third one is convectional mode, and the last one is start mode. Firstly, the micro mode is used in a microwave oven to provide a precise control over the cooking process. This is useful for cooking delicate foods for situations where we want to cook a lower power setting. By using a micro mode, we can ensure that our food is cooked eventually and avoid after cooking it or overheating. The next one is the grill mode. Grill mode is used in microwave oven to provide a grilling or a browning effect on food. By using the grill mode, we can achieve a similar effect for a traditional grilling. The method used in a faster and a more convenient way. The third one is conventional mode. Convection mode. Convection mode is used in a microwave oven to provide a combinations of microwave cooking and conventional heating. It is used a fan and heating element for a circulate hot air inside the oven, creating a more even and efficient cooking process. The last one is start. It has a default 30-second timer, which is used for a heating. If you want to heat a cup of coffee which does not need much time, that we can go for the start mode. Let us move to see the program of a microwave oven for the microwave oven project. So this is the program for the project. We have defined several macros to make the code understandable. And if you want to modify the code later, we can just change the values easily by using the macros. And this is the main program where we can this is the main program we are written for the code for the CLCD, LED matrix, keypad, timers and many more. So let us build the program. So the build is completed and hex file is created. Now let us go to the picsimlab and load the hex file. And we see that the output initial display is powering on. Oven in a microwave oven message. This menu screen where we can option for the micro mode, grill mode, convectional mode and start mode. We also have a fan, buzzer and a matrix keypad to enter the values to see the output. We have entered the start mode, that is key 4. I said earlier that the start mode is a default 30-second. The timer is as you can see that the timer is also start running and the fan is also start running, which indicates the microwave oven is working. Here is the key 4 to increase the timer by 20 seconds. You can see that the time is increased by 20 seconds. If you want to pause the timer by pressing key number 5. You can observe that the time is stopped and fan is also stopped. Let us resume it and wait for cooking food. Eight seconds is remaining. So the times is up and your food is ready. Now it is written to the main menu, which have macro mode, grill mode, conventional mode and start modes. Now we have entered to the micro mode. The initial display shows the power is 900 watt, and after that screen we have show the screen of set time limits, and if you want to clear it you have to press star, and if you want to enter to the screen you have to press enter. For the demo purpose I set a timer of 45 seconds. If you want to clear it you have to press the star key. Now you can see that the time is reset. So if you want to enter the timer, you have to press hash key. So now you have observed that the time is a start and the fan is also start rotating. If you want to pause it you have to phone key number 4, and if you want to pause it key number 5. If you want to stop and return to the main menu you have to press key number 6. Now we have returned to the main menu where has micro mode, grill mode, conventional mode and a start mode. Now going to the convection mode by pressing key number 3. Now in the initial display we have see that there is a set temperature. We have to set the temperature limit which is also less than 180 degree. So we have set the temperature. Now for the demo purpose I have set it 120 degree. So let's enter, and we can see that for the demo purpose we have seen that the 180 second it is for the 180 second, but for the demo purpose we have set a time limit of 20 seconds. Now the preheating is start. For waiting the 20 seconds we have seen that the next display where we have to set the time. We have the set time for the demo purpose. We have set it for 56 seconds. Now we have previously seen that the same display is start. So the timer is start and the fan is also start, which means the microwave is a start. For stop and start timing, we have to press key number 6, and if you want to pause it, we have to pause key number 5. Let's resume it for pressing key 4. As you can see that the timer is start and the fan is also start rotating. So if you want to if we want to increase the timer, you have to put key number 4, press key number 4 while it is increasing timer by 20 seconds. So if we increase the timer, we can see that the fan is continuously start rotating. The microcontroller we are using it PIC16F877A, and it is in a PicSimlab, and the simulation is used as PicGenius. The XE8 is the compiler which is used for writing codes and creating a hex file. The peripherals are used as a CLCD, tactile switch, timers, LED, and fan and buzzers. We are using LED is HD47744780 16x16 by 4. Now 12 seconds are left. Let wait here and see that. So we are returning to the screen. The times is off and food is ready. We are returning to the main menu. We have seen that micro mode, grill mode, conventional mode, and start modes. Now returning to the previous slides. At the last, we have a Disha workshop where we have learned about how to build a resume, how to make a resume in an efficient way, and careers in embedded C programming. And the last, I want to say thanks Emertxe Information Technology for giving me this wonderful opportunity for doing internship. Thank you.